Want to make a zombie in Melon Playground? Here's how to do it, step by step. First, take a regular melon NPC. Now tie him up with some rope, just to keep things under control. Then, yeah, you guessed it, shoot him with any gun to finish him off. Now here's the gross part. Wait 5 minutes and let that melon rot. Once he's looking extra creepy, inject him with the immortality syringe, and boom! You've got yourself a zombie melon. He's back, he's rotten, and he's unstoppable. Like and subscribe before he comes for you.